asked him what would you get to drive, and he goes, "This is the best stuff on the show." And hey, some lady was walking out there like, "Can I just do a test?" It's pretty amazing. He sold me.
That's great bait.
Is
When
it?
you take it home though, or when you put it in the freezer,
Freezer.
if you put it in the refrigerator, it'll mold. Well, it'll mold in about 2 days. It gets slimy too, and you don't want it to do it.
So tonight at East, thank you so much.
It's not the best thing to put in your mouth either. I put my bait in my mouth, so I'm like, yeah, I got bait.
Yeah, he made it clear that it was dog.
Yeah, well, I carried it. He's into.
Well, that's Diesel. That's Diesel.
Yeah. I make my own because I like
Environmentally stressing.
Yeah, you know exactly what's in it.
Yes, that's the other part.
So, and we've had the article issue. I said the articles were first. I'd rather the last, but it's okay. He got the right ones. Yeah, he always
Oh, she
identifies
won.
that whole
Well, she was the only winner in the class. So, but there's
Only
two.
in the ring.
She did really well. She's looking good. So.
So I tried several different things over the past 6 weeks to see if I can.
That one's the one that took Brett too, the one that just went down. That was the one I might have to show. Yeah. Yep.
And then the Stanford exams are consistent. They go like Cheeritos. And it's not based on men, women, just both. It's when they walk in, he makes the choice. You're going to touch me or not.
No, I'm not. 14 is on.
He's a shit.
Take 12, and I'm not going to quit until I get the game to be. Hey, Ricky. Pick it up. You don't know the box.
I know.
Because all dogs are different.
Well, and then just looking at him, it's like, oh,
12. I think,
they all look so similar in build.
Oh, there you go. Oh, sorry. I'm just picking. She's got pick nice. She's got the best top line out there.
Oh, well, I just saw her turning around and
I like the brindle bitch, but she's doggy looking in the face. Reserve will be, I think 20 will be reserve. The authority is spoken.
That was for points.
Is that a major in boxers today?
I'm not sure. I think that's 17.
That might, yeah, that's probably a major in boxers.
For here, probably, huh?
18's a major.
Oh, is it?
Oh, so it's off by one.
It's too bad.
Oh, wait a minute. No, it's 21 for this bitch.
Oh, is it?
Oh.
No, Lisa, it's not freed yet. No, it's just when she's still on her bitch. Come on, Lisa. I love it. Okay, that would be something I would do.
I'd be doing that all the time. In the office at the beginner, I would be out there all the time.
Me too.
She's going to take the puppy. Good for you, Dave.
And the steward said, go to the end. And I'm like, okay. So I go to the end.
I don't have much pocket space. I mainly